In this video, I'll show you how to save your documents in Microsoft Excel. If you have been wanting to learn how to save your documents in Microsoft Excel, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now head over to your desktop background, right? This is our desktop background. Now open the Microsoft Excel icon, tap on it, it would open. Wait for it to load a bit. It's currently loading, so give it a few seconds for it to open. So this is it. This is our Excel dashboard. So click on this blank document, click on it, it would open. Now we are going to type in this Excel sheet now, right? So I'll click on 1 here, I'll click on 2, click on 3, click on 4, click on 5. Now this Excel dashboard is consisted of rows and column, right? Most of these stuffs, they are used to calculate results and lots of calculational solutions, you get. So this is it. So for us to save this document down in Excel, you need to click on this file, right? Click on this file, then you'd click this save as, right? Select the document, then I'll type in how to edu Excel tutorial. Then I'll click on this save. So this is how you can save your documents in Microsoft Word Excel. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.